Niggas is fucking out here. You fucking feel it, dig me? Come on, man. Get that shit while I'm driving. Fuck that shit. Aye! Fuck wrong with these niggas? We all in. Fuck what they thought, man. We all in. My nigga AD with the flag. Oh, that's not him. Still though. Okay. Hopefully them whopping them out here. We all in, man. We all in today, man. You know, motherfucking PR Fest. We back at it. You know, you feel it, dig me? You know, watch how I get the beat going. Fuck what they thought, man. We get the beeping on, man. We get the beep. Beep all day.
Legally, right?
Legally, nigga. Or legally, nigga. What you doing? Woo. We all in today, man. We all in for the fest, man. Just came from that good kickball game. Section 7 with the win in my eyes. You know? We gotta get one more of this. That shit ill. Oh yeah, my nigga Grizz in the passenger seat. Forgot about that, nigga. Let me put on my clicker so I can turn. I forgot about that. I gotta start off one more. Nobody beeping, niggas bitch. What the fuck going on? Niggas don't want to beep with the Thunder Guard no more? That's what's up, though. We made that good turn, though. Made that good turn. Whoa. They ain't beeping no more. They not PR. They not my PR. My Puerto Ricans next door to me. Them niggas ain't celebrating shit. Them niggas lazy. They can't even get a fucking flag and wave it around like everybody else. Just discredit them motherfuckers. They no Juans or Hernandez. They're no Rodriguez or no Santiago. Shiesty Santiago. Yo, why the fuck I ain't drop you off? Oh man, let me drop this nigga off, man.
Hold up. The old school starts in March.
That's my woman looking.
Here on the old school house party with Gerald McBride.